What is up, everybody? Welcome to day 3 of building audio transcriber in Rust using whispher.cpp and ffmpeg. And if you are not someone who is familiar with whispher.cpp and ffmpeg and you're a regular programmer, god dang brother, you're living under a rock. And just to give you the context of what ffmpeg and whisper.cpp AI does, ffmpeg is just a video and audio manipulation tool which is widely used, and I can't even get started on the use case of ffmpeg in industry, because this is the sole reason you have YouTube today, and this might be one of the reasons where you can, like, most of the video editing software depends on ffmpeg for some or the other reason. And whisper.cpp is AI library or AI GPT, I can say. I'm not sure, like, GPT is a word. GPT can be applied on whisper.cpp, but let's just say it takes its own. And what it basically does is to transcribe your audio to text, and it's actually awesome. Like, you can give in a huge ass file and you'll get your output which you need. And that's the use case of whisper.cpp. It's a audio transcriber and translator too. Like, you can audio to text transcriber and translator too. Okay, with that thing out of a head right now, let's just discuss on plan of action for today. The plan of action for today, we are in this process of, like, making this thing happen. We have our vod.mp4, video on demand.mp4 files, and we're going to pipe them to ffmpeg, feed them to ffmpeg, and extract audio.wav format audio from it. And after extracting the audio, we're going to pipe it down to whisper.cpp. What whisper.cpp will give us is a text file which is transcribed audio. So we're gonna get whatever we spoke in form of text, which is transcribed. And after this, our plan is to feed this thing into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can list us the relevant content which can be used for YouTube shorts and YouTube videos. I guess I'm making sense. And somewhere down the line, if someone has any doubt, like, you can shoot it down to me, and I'll try to re-explain the entire thing if you want to. Awesome. And yeah, let me bring this thing up. And where are we? Intro part is done. Damn, man. So intro part is done at what, 2050? Okay, 21. And I'm getting the next one started at 21. Try to get whisper.cpp binary and make it run in Rust. Okay. This was something we looked at yesterday, but it's not up to the mark. That's what I can say as of now. And this is the code part which we are working on. Damn, I can see Nightbot and me in chat, so kind of irritating. But yeah, let it be there. Okay, yeah. So we got the ffmpeg part handled, and I know that we made a mistake of using arg instead of args. I'll correct it in end of the stream if I have enough time. But hey Robbie, you back? Nice, bruh. We are just catching up on the yesterday stuff, so awesome. And a fun fact, after you left yesterday, and no, not left yesterday, you subscribed to my channel in YouTube. Turns out I got 4 subscribers after you in a day. Isn't that awesome? Man, you made my luck yesterday for some reason. I'm so unlucky, but it was, wow, mind-boggling to see 5 subscribers today, waking up in the morning. And let's hope it's Wednesday, so most of our folks should show up. And yeah, man, like, it was fun. It was just 2 of us yesterday, but still it made the point. Okay, let's see. We are at this phase where we are trying to make whisper.cpp work on our audio.streamwave, and looks like we have audio.stream.wave available here. And what I'm thinking right now is like, wow, okay, we successfully made this part work, video to ffmpeg, and from ffmpeg we got the audio in wave format. So we are fine, we are doing good, we are awesome. But from here, like the main trouble starts that like this audio should be available for whisper.cpp, and whisper.cpp is an entire library or a package, you can say, which is completely out of our control. And I don't want to like make it no, I want to make it a dependency in my project, but I don't want it to disturb the entire project, if you know what I mean. So this is something which I'm dealing with right now. It's kind of a dilemma where I have like I can just include this entire thing in my file, I mean in my project structure. Whisper.cpp will be a thing here, and I'll have my rest of my files here. But to do that, I have to add this into git ignore. That's not something which I'm looking for, let's just say in that way. So I wanted to I want to make this tool as independent as possible. Does that sound great to you? I'm not sure if it's that great, but like yeah, I'm just trying to make this tool independent. And like yeah, it will depend on whisper.cpp, and there are separate instructions and installation steps for that too. I do agree for the fact we have to look into that too. And I'm not that ignorant, but I just want to make this thing little bit independent, and it can be installed using a make file also. You know what I mean? Do I make my point good, Rob? I'm just trying to make my point, man. I'm just trying to make my point. Okay. And where were we? I should stop looking at number of viewers in my stream, because it's so demotivating sometimes, and sometimes it motivates the fuck out of me. But yeah, so we got our audio working fine, and we extracted the audio, and we have to pipe it down to whisper.cpp. That is the current task today. And I tried getting whisper.cpp binaries and make it run in Rust, but whisper.cpp depends on a model. I guess it's a GMM model or some kind of model, and it completely depends on it. So the dependency cannot be broke, and I can extract that thing also and put it in here. Could you also link your CPP project in your Rust project so you can? Okay. CPP project in your Rust project. I'm not sure I'm not sure if that works in that way, because if I link my CPP project into my Rust project, yeah, I tried doing it, but it doesn't work that way. I tried doing it, it doesn't work that way for some reason. It's just the dependency on this weird model. The model is so heavy, and not heavy, it's completely a different thing which even C++ is not handling. That is something which is imported from other module. And all I can see as of now, the way we installed it, let me go back and see whisper.cpp, and if I just look into this, wait, yeah, where is it? Yeah, there was this bash command. There was this weird bash command, man. Let me go into my search window, and ph.cpp. This was actually like yeah, I'll just show it to you. That's more convenient for me, and for any of you who are trying to see this thing. This is the library which I'm talking about, and it's an awesome library. You gotta try it. Okay, models.download.dm. Okay, so I can just cd into ./models, and what's the file name, by the way? Yeah, download ggml models. Okay, Where am I? I can just nvim download ggml modules.sh, and if I do this, so these are all the things which are being downloaded, and this script is being ran around there. So this is the dependency it is depending on, and the file structure is completely dependent on whatever is being installed here. So in order to make what you're saying, to make the binary work in my particular short thing, I might have to figure out a lot more stuff than what I'm currently thinking right now, because there is this method called list models and print. Okay, where am I installing it? Like, so if I curl command output gmm model, and either we get a curl is required or download model. Okay, so I can take a look at it if I want to. Downloading gmm model, I'm getting it. Source, okay, tinized whisper.cpp. Okay, this seems to be check if the model container trds and update source and prefix, and there are a couple of more things which I don't know. So there are too many moving parts so far. So too many moving parts are pissing me off. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? And for all the new guys in the chat, we are running this thing called language force, where we are trying to get votes from potential viewers. And if you want to support us, you can type 6 in the chat. If you want to support, go in the chat, which I don't really appreciate. You can type 9 in the chat. So that's the shit we are dealing with. Okay, I hope it makes sense, man. I hope it makes sense. Hey, is my stream fucked up or like everyone left? Sorry, shouldn't have said that. It's rather embarrassing. It's just embarrassing. I guess my stream went down for a bit. Okay, I guess, yeah, you're still there, and okay, my this thing is fucked up, I guess. Yo, like if anyone are in chat, I can see Robbie is still there, but I can just see one viewer for some weird reason. If you take a look at this, yo, fucking way. So I can just see one here for some weird reason. Let me refresh it back. Come on, man. Okay, something is screwed up. Four people, nice. That's some progress. Okay, let me go look at Twitch. Look inside my Twitch. Look inside my channel. And I can see one. Is it my network that is so bad screwed up that it is showing me one? I guess my network is screwed up. It doesn't matter how many people I am streaming to. It's just the only thing that factors in is that we are having fun, and I hope I'm making it fun for you. Cause man, you spent so much time with me. I just want to make it a little bit more entertaining. You know what I mean? And I'm lazy as fuck, and that's something which should be considered. You know what? Let's just try to read this. No, I don't want to do this step, cause that will be completely out of plan of action. Wow. Rust.cpp. Yeah. Cargo run. Let's see where we were and how it performs. Like, okay, wait. No such file or directory. Where am I breaking it? Oh, whispher.cpp. So I'm not running the first thing. I guess that this shit is working fine. ffmpeg part. And yeah, is it still showing 4 for you? I'm not sure, because my network seems to be stabilized right now. Okay, awesome. Okay, I have to take a word from you on it, my man. No worries, no problem. So let's just see. So yeah, if you remember yesterday, we were trying to figure out how do we pipe this audio.stream inside uh you know what I mean. Okay, let's just see. Let's see. If I remove the environment path and argf and I say dot main dot, hey, I don't want main dot rs shit, and I can just say help. Yeah, like about your question yesterday, can't we do the entire thing in one single line? I guess we can do it in one single line, but we have to pass each parameter as a vector input. And yeah, we discovered it yesterday too, but it took like little bit more time for my numb brain to understand. Okay, I guess I'm making some sense, and I should have main here. Yeah, dot run. It is supposed to output all the options for me. See, here's the thing, I can get all of this here because this every parameter listed here is inside that main binary, but whatever the main binary depends on is there in that particular model, and I in my right sane mind can't get whatever is there in that entire shit here. And I'm not even sure if this o text and ojs, like ojs which I'm using right, which I am going to use, I'm not sure if those two shitty things are actually inside this main. Okay, because I like main is just the front end part of it, so I'm just using the main binary here, so I might have to use other binaries too if that's the case. But as of now, the target is to make whisper.cpp, like to make my tool run in whisper.cpp directory, and we are currently inside rust.cpp. So that's the scope, we are working today, and this is the main directory which I barely understand, man. Yeah, let's go into main, man. Whew. Time to take little bit breathing time so that I can get calm down a bit and try to get my thing stabilized. Okay, try to get whisper.cpp binary and make it run in rust, things like that. This thing is completely disproven so right now, and this thing will not work. So yeah, my it's just sad, but that would have completely shortened my work if that would have worked out for me, and that's what I'm trying to say. So where the hell is alacrity now? Yep, I started it at 21. Done. And yeah, what is the streaming time right now? Okay, 36. I'll just mark it at 37. We'll get a minute breather. 37. And fun fact, Robbie, I'm using red switches blue switches today, and my keyboard might be a little louder, but yeah, I switched out the keyboard in end moment because I was really pissed yesterday. I was really pissed for some reason. Yeah, every now and then it still pisses me off, but yeah, I tend to use more red switches because of my day job where I have to keep my keyboard quiet. But during the stream, I guess I have the liberty to use blue switches. If you guys are fine with it, if you guys are fine with that, that's a main, and that's one of the caveats which I'm breaking down in my brain right now. Okay. So wait, where were we? Yeah, this thing is working fine. H is working fine. I have to move this thing to a different directory. So I have to make command work inside command create in Rust. Man, like my key, like my accuracy while I type on blue switches is comparatively way more than my typing in red switches. So if you know what I mean. Documentation, yeah, let's just go to documentation. Fucking no. Commands, like there is another create, like is this something which is nah, command line interface? I don't think that's a different. Okay, what is clap? What does clap do? Okay, create your command line parsers with all the bells and whistles declaratively or procedurally. Okay, you know what? I am kind of intrigued by it. What does clap do in Rust? Okay, command line parser with Rust. Hey Robbie, like, did you ever got to use clap? Okay, wait. Cargo.run create.io. Okay, of course, but this isn't using clap. Let's fix that. We are going to pass the command line options. Okay, name to find out who to say hello to. To do this with clap, we are going to follow the basic steps. Defining a new app value in the builder style. Okay, continue. I'm just intrigued by what the hell clap needs, and seems like the use case of clap is something which we are going to use further down the line. You know what I mean? Yeah. I should stop using if you know what I mean, because okay, let's write a command line argument parser to make sure that things okay. Start off with cargo new clap one. So command line argument parser, suppose it's like a bash input parser. I'm not sure, but let's see an example. You can run this with cargo dash, which should result in something like this. Compiling clap finished, running, the following required arguments were not provided. Okay, I can just ooh, I guess we should use clap now to pass in command line options to our executable. Okay, wait, I might have to write it down. Instead of 37 being, let's just make this something which we are doing right now. Check out clap. Create in Rust. Okay, I'm checking it out, so I'm making time for myself. Sorry, but yeah, I kind of switched it up upside down. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry, but I'm really interested in this thing for some reason. Here's your code, and let app equals to app.new hello.clap version 1.0 about say hello. Author Michael Schneemann. Okay, I cannot pronounce his name. Define the name command line options. Okay, args with me name. Okay, a long name takes value true. Help who to say hello to. Okay, require true. Okay, now add in the arguments you want to pass to name options, and I get the name option inside app, and app.get matches exact the matches. Okay, matches. Let name equals to match dot values name, like value of name. Expect this can't be none. Sorry, this can't be none, and we said it was required. Okay, okay, don't be. Now you can run cargo, which should result something like this. Okay, cargo run. Okay, I'm getting the same thing. Okay, okay. For more info, try help. Okay, I am cargo help will give me basically whatever I get from bash help. So I can write command line tools using clap, I guess. Cargo run name rust. Okay. I can. So do I have to specify this double dash? Not sure. Like I think we are gonna use clap at some point of this particular tool. Exercise extract a structure. Extracting a structure. Okay. I can use structures inside this. And I'm going off the topic, am I? Like, don't you think I'm going too far down the line, Rob? This is what you're gonna do. You gotta control me every now and then, that I might not completely derail from the topic. Because man, I tend to get interested in some weird things and I start to chase them down. So yeah. Yep. Okay. I'm getting nothing from Rob, so I guess I'm not derailing completely. Praise the Lord if it works out. Okay. Yeah, we'll just keep this thing aside for now and concentrate on things which we are having in hand. Command and Rust. Okay. Command and Rust. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. See, was not completely derailing. No, in back of my head, I knew that I was derailing from this thing which I wanted to do. But yeah, like clap seems to be something which we're gonna use in future, but the scope of that being used in this particular stream is no, it's completely no. So at 44, I'll mark it as done. 44. Okay, and praise the Lord. I'll get back on the main topic, which is try to make this command run inside whispher.cpp. Okay, yeah, awesome. Damn, brother. Wow, I ate so much food. Make a command run in prtic in Rust using command. Okay, how to run command in Rust? Yeah, no, I want to run in specific directory, if you know what I mean. Args. Okay, ampersand. What does ampersand? Okay, wait. There is this weird guy who, not weird, actually awesome guy. Shell specific construction tells you the shell not to wait for the command to finish. Okay, and they are not really part of your command at all. So you want, so what you want is spawn status. So why am I doing the ampersand and doc? Like I'm not sure why I'm doing this part. Okay, wait. GDX open. Okay, environment where home unwrap or else into. Okay, moreover, the tilde is also a shell specific construct which may or may not be understood by the commands you are trying to run. It means the user home directory which you can get from home variable using, okay, home. Ah, fucking hell. No problem. By the way, document is a special path, part of xdg okay directories. Okay, wait. Let path equals to dir. So do I need to give the path here for some thing to be executed there? I don't think so. I don't think so. I should do that. But who cares? Let's just do it. Let's just see how it works. There is a way to run function from specific file in a folder. Based on command line arguments. Seems like you can make a feasible through match statement which with a proc macro that reads the folder, imports the files and compiles them dynamically. No. Not something which I'm looking for. I'm sorry, but that's actually helpful. Command in a given directory without cd into it. Come on, dude, like cd path to executable. Should I, so if I change my path till there, okay, and commands in other way, okay, come on, dude, give me something. How to make a file from any how to run make file from any other directory. Make -c Okay, check the man page for -c options. What does -c do? Does dash c do in bash? Okay, wait. What does do in shell script? I'm speaking about dash c, brother. Dash c. Can I, like, where do I find the minus? Okay, wait. I can copy the entire damn thing and search for it. I hate gathering requirements in like in stream, because I want to stay in the terminal as long as possible. Okay, wait. We might have seen this somewhere else. Wait. If I remember correctly, so -c, I can I? It's an arg. So I guess I can -c get into whisper.cpp main. Not something which I'm currently really interested in doing, but you know what the hell. I can just say dash h, if that makes any sense. I don't think it'll make any sense. Wow, it made sense. And if I remove the main file here, should not, it works fine, then yep, it should throw an error. So yeah, I fucked up. I completely fucked up. Main. If I do something like this, it'll be main. How can I say main, because I'm not in that particular directory? How can I say main? Damn. Seems like I'm stuck. But yeah, every problem should have a solution if I think straight. So all I want to do is get wisp.cpp inside there, and all I need to do is to use this entire library there. Can I use it inside there? No, I don't think, because even after that I need this weird as abstractions, all the things which I have. The moving parts are really many. You can yeah, cp project here. So just one binary. I love the suggestions, man. I love the suggestions. But I'm zoning out a bit. But yeah, I'll figure something out. Seems like getting whisper.cpp on here is not that easy of a task. Hey, look at this. We got another subscriber. I don't even know where I'm getting subscribers from today. But yeah, people show love really random time. And just for the context of it, I'll just show it to you. Okay, where we see live subs. Yo, Rob, after you subscribed here yesterday, which was 0 till 27th May 2024, and look at the luck, my friend. Damn, you're lucky, dude. For some One I just knew. It's damn luck. See? Or did you do some magic, brother? If you're familiar with magic, I'm bit scared now. Wow. Ooh, smooth operator. Thank you, Rob. Man, I'm just buttering the fuck out of you, but it's just what it is. How do I get this entire thing being to be piped to my tool? Should I? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You did nothing, but I seem to get being followed from yesterday. So peace. That, yeah, you did nothing. Thank you. You did nothing. But yeah, but Discord seems fun now. Discord, I tried a few things in Discord, and they were actually pretty fun to use around. I can't just list out all the things I used in Discord, but fuck hell no. So yeah, let's see. Command line new. And what does env do? The key, okay, I can just say key as path, and value will be somewhat of, let's just treat this as sh whisper.cpp, and all I want in this is arg. I want just one thing, and I want ls. No, I want pwd. Pwd, present working directory. Come on, give me something. Okay, wait. No such file. Where did it panic? Did it panic? Cannot open pwd. No such file. So can I leave it up? Can I leave it empty? Can I leave it empty? No. The thread panics if I leave it empty. I can just say pwd, and if I do this, what am I getting? Okay, I'm getting something. So if I do env, if I push in args and say ls for me, do ls for me, do ls for me. Okay, pw ignored non-optional argument. Yep. So if I do cd into pwd, I'm doing random shit, but into path. Okay, if I'm, there is no step by step for this. I can do something like this. No, I can just stack this two things in one line. I can just say cd arg, and I can say mnt c user uh, charlie documents cli tool dot whisper dot cpp, and if I cd into this, so that will be whisper dot cpp part 1, and I can do pub function whisper dot cpp part 2. I'm just hitting and running right now. pwd. Okay, what's wrong with this thing now? Okay, it seems to be okay. Args, nothing. Status. Panic. Expect. Brah. Mismatch type expect. Okay, found exiting status. Did I do something wrong? Wait, command new pwd status. Okay. Oh, okay. This will be part 1. Should not throw errors. Come on, buddy. Yeah. If God forbid me not on this whispher.cpp part 2. Man, I'm just fooling around. No judgment. Okay, panicked for fuck reason. No such file or directory. On which part did it panic? Message no such file or directory. Okay, it panicked. It panicked alright. So, wow. So I guess if I do the first one, first one still panics. CDing into arg should not be a major case, no. Like it's supposed to work. I changed my directory. If I just try to get second one running, will it do fine? Yep, second one seems to be working fine. Present working directory, yes it is, and it is completely ignoring this part, which is awesome. But first one seems to be not working. Okay, let's see the environment part again, and if I okay, let's just see this environment thing again. So okay, add arguments to pass program. Only arguments can be passed per you. Okay, minus C. So what if I try to use it here? Okay, give me the entire thing, man. ls minus C path. I can do that. ls minus C. What form of minus C are we talking about? Yeah, capital C. And yeah, the idea is to not make wisp.part1 panic. Cool as bunny. So wait, I successfully did this. If I try to cd into it, will it work? Okay, seeding does not work. If I do main, try to run make, will it do? It seems to be working fine. And if I damn, looks like I figured it out. It looks like I figured it out. If I do main and pass in another arg saying that help, it is ideally supposed to give me all the inputs. Fuck no, it panicked. Okay, wait. So it works still here for some reason. Ls. If I do ls, it works. Okay, ls. What the hell is it doing? Okay, it is going till there. And if I want to change that thing into another command, will it not? Okay, wait. I can just do this something like slash main. I guess it's since it's a binary, I need slash, but it is still panicking. Bloody hell, man. How do I get that binary to run from here? Can I do GCC? No, I don't need to do all the extravaganza shit. Can just do main. So main it is. No, I am panicking the fuck out of this thing. Basically 1 hour down the stream, I'm achieving nothing. Okay, wait. New. Let's go here. Construct a new command for launching the program at path program while you're following the default configuration. No arguments of the program. Inherit the current processes. Okay. No arguments to the program. Inherit the current process environment. Inherit the current process working directory. Okay, wait. This is something which I guess I am looking for. No arguments to the program. Okay. Okay, wait. Construct a new command for launching the program at path program with the following defaults. Okay, in command. Fuck you, command. Fuck you. I'm out of water actually. Mulilla. Okay, inherit the current process environment. Inherit the current process working directory. Okay, inherit. Okay, this thing. The things which I currently have in hand. Build the method are provided to change default otherwise configuration. If the program is not absolute path, the path will search in OS defined way. Okay, so I don't have the functionality to give relative paths. So I might have to store whispher.cpp in a place where it is commonly accessible, somewhere near bin or something. The search path for used may be controlled by setting the path environment variable on the command. Okay, search path to be used may be controlled environment will. Okay, but this has to be implementation limits on Windows. Like Windows always fucks it up, and I'm still using Windows. I have to edit my software, so I have to. So I have new spawn command dot failed. Okay, there are a couple of more things which I want to look at. Function new implement command new program, add arguments to pass to the program, and only one argument can be passed in per user. Arg can be passed per use. So instead, okay, command dot new dot sh, and I have an arg. What does this do? Usage would be something like, okay, usage would be no run. Gibberish. To pass multiple arguments, see args. Yeah, note that. Okay, can I? Okay, is it why? Is it because of this that I'm not able to get any major things on? Since it's arg, and I can use, h. Okay, let's knock it down here once. Is it the reason? If you panic, I fuck. Fuck you. You bloody still panicked. You're playing with me, you know that. You're playing with my goddamn emotions today. But some form of progress I can find it here. Like if I use make and through h here completely. It is not supposed to panic. It is supposed to make the goddamn file. So make entering directory. Okay, make can be used like that. Entering directory. So -c is entering directory. And what do I do here? Like inside wisp.cpp, I can. Okay, should I give one more main? main. Is it because of this? Is it because of this you're acting out? No, you're still acting out. Can I cat whatever the fuck is inside it? If I cat the thing out, concatenate, that's what it stands for. Fun fact. Cat help for more. Okay. Invalid option C. Okay. If I remove this, will you work? I guess it does. Yo. Calm down, calm down, calm down. The cat has its own limitations. So I can make a file from here. I can do nothing else from here. Let's see. I do H. Baby, should I make an environment variable out of this? If that's the only thing that's gonna make it work, I guess doing an environment variable makes sense. Don't you think so? I can do the entire CD in an environment variable where I can map and I can access that thing anywhere possible. That's something which I can do. I did not think of it in that way. I can do that. What do you say? Should I make it? Okay. Bloody hell. Yeah, I'll look at this entire thing afterwards, but shame on me. So can I? Okay, wait. So if I am here, if I say uh, mntc user Charlie documents CLI whispher.cpp main, and I say H. Okay, okay. If I can, so if I'm exporting, export, you know what, wisp equal to, I can say mnt c a user Charlie Charlie CLI, no, documents CLI whisper.cpp main. So I can access this entire directory using wisp variable from environment. You know what I mean? So all I have to know is how do I use environment variable inside that print env, and let's go find wisp isp. Okay, wisp. I have wisp with me. So how can I print command line things? Dollar $p. So I can do ls instead of that arg. Can do dollar if I remember it right, I am supposed to get cargo run. It is still okay. Wait. How do I access environment variables? Okay, how to access? variables in bash script. Yeah, bash script, shell script and bash script. Okay, I can just say echo. Okay, echo. Hmm, can knock it down in that way, but will it be the best thing to do? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, let's shoot for it. If everything works out fine, I'll be a goddamn god of programming for obvious reason. I can say echo dollar p wisp. So I can go here instead of ls echo dollar wisp cargo run. The thread should not panic. Yeah, fucking way. Nope, not works. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Should I use env? I am not wrong. Okay, I'm not getting anything. That's for sure. Okay. Uh, arcs. Can just say wisp. WHISP. If it makes any sense. Yeah, I'm getting wisp. I don't. What is the use of env then? Okay. Insert and update an explicit environment variable mapping. This method allows you to add an environment variable mapping to the spawned process or overwrite a previously set value. Okay, I can. Okay, spawned process. Where am I using the process again? Like, give me a goddamn example which makes sense. Ah, how to access env variables in Rust? Working with when an environment variables. Fucking hell. Okay, wait. Dependency.NET environment. Okay, I can. Okay, I guess I have to use a .env file, which I really hate because it adds up on the dependency which I'm completely trying to mitigate. Introduction to standard env module. Let variable pw do expect. Okay, expect variable. Oh, I can use this thing if I guess this is more relevant than that. And if I seen it right, I can environment dot variable and I can give the variable name, and I also have the functionality to expect. Okay, where and wisp equals to inv dot variable, and the key of the variable is WHISP, and expect them. Expect say path to wisp not being present. You know what I mean? Expected semicolon. Yeah, I'm giving you semicolon, bitch. Yeah. Println. Println. It has the benefit of doubt to be empty. Dem. Oh, sorry. Where doesn't exist. Wrong language. By GD, I should get please to this. Okay, I'm getting this. I'm getting this, but I'm still getting it as okay. Instead of this, I can just say wisp. Will you? Will this work? Okay. Can I say instead of wisp and arg equals to dash h? Will it work? It should. It's oh fucking way. No fucking way. Let's go. So can I do other things with it like f and dot arg, one more arg, sorry, audio stream dot mo wave. If I'm right, I'm supposed to get something. Okay, loading model file from gmml base film seems not to be working so far. So since I'm using main, it is not able to backward trace the entire thing. Do I need, like, is it working inside there at least? Are we sure on that? Okay, let's see. Wisp CLI. Okay, CLI. Let's make a CLI thing. CD wisp. And I already have a audio.wave file. And I can say whisper sorry, main dot f dot audio dot wave, and it is supposed to transcribe the thing for me. Is it something exclusive to the folder inside it? Not sure, but seems to be that way. Don't you think so? It looks like it is something really exclusive to that part. Bloody hell. What part of the world am I stuck now? Man, this sucks. Doesn't it? Okay. Check out clap. If that does not work, try to make command create working in a specific directory. Your command create seems to be working in a specific directory, but the complication changed the entire thing right now. It's completely upside down in my head. It's just the way it is, man. It completely screwed my plan. And I don't treat it bad, but yeah, it just screwed the entire thing for me. So I might have to use wisp. I have to move wisp inside this tool to make it work. No pun intended, but yeah, I guess I have to do it. You know what? I can do it from here. Okay. I'm not moving the entire thing. I can copy wisp.cpp to rust.cpp, and I'll move it inside source if I can. I don't want to move it inside source. Okay, wait. Oh, I have to do a recursive copy, right? Rust.cpp. I'm recursively copying it. Let's see. And the model should be installed. Ideal case, in ideal terms, model should be installed. GGML model. If you're not familiar with what I'm saying right now. Yeah. let's see. Did everything get imported here? Wisp.cpp became a dependency now. I can treat this thing as submodules in Git, right? Sure. Hey, Robbie, like, are you familiar with GitHub submodules? Just wanna know. GitHub submodules, GitHub submodules. I can wait. Okay, here's the fun fact of it. Might have to make a reel out of it if I can. But yes, let me just give me a minute. I'll get back on it. Where is the damn thing? Oh, oh. Ad blocker interrupted. 124. 124. It's just a reference which I keep in my mind. So GitHub submodules are something like this. Suppose here's your Git repo. Let me pitch it back again. Let me take a step back. So here's what GitHub submodules are. Suppose you have your own repo, Git repo, which depends on a different repository. Let's just say repo B, and this is repo A. But you don't want to directly pull whatever the hell is there in. You don't want to copy paste the entire thing inside this. And why? Because this thing can constantly change, and this can get a new release. This can get constantly new updates, new contributors, new stuff being built onto it. So in order to just to use the functionality of this particular thing, and where you have zero versioning flexibility, the reason for submodules being created was this particular reason. Since you want to use repo B inside repo A, and you want to use, like, you want to have the flexibility to use different versions of repo B, you're going to use something called GitHub submodules. And what submodules basically do is that it'll include whatever is there in repo B inside repo A as a hyperlink. So everything, if you can access whatever is there in repo B inside repo A, and whatever the new things being added on to repo B will also be available in repo B, which is submodularized in repo A. Have you ever been through this? Because it's actually fun. Did you? Okay, I might have to take a small water break. I'll like get pulled, but just a small part of that. Yeah. Hmm. Somewhere, somewhere, what you say is yes, but it's like a git pull inside a repo, and also you have a lot of more functionalities. But I just encapsulated everything in a small bit of explanation. So I'll be right back. I'll take a small water break and come back. I'm back. Wow. If that made any sense, good thing. Let's see. Yo. cd whisper.cpp. Okay. Make. I already made this shit once, so gonna make it again. And fun fact, I added what the fuck inside my make file, so every time I do this, I get what the fuck. Where? Yeah, I might have to use this command. So let me yank that thing. Okay. So who? Okay, downloading model already exists. Nice. So if I can go inside my trust.cpp and go to main, and if I tell it to do this thing now, I don't need this, don't need this, I don't need this main. It is ideally supposed to work. Okay, wait, no such file or directory. Come on, mate. Hey, this is just sad. Okay, now. Nope. Man, all this thing is just trial and error for me now. I have to move this thing up a bit or so. What do I do? If I just do main, for some reason, it keeps working. See? If I do just main. No, it panicked. Seems like, where do we have wisp.cpp? So I might have to move entire submodule. No. Or I have to make an endpoint open for it to access. I can do it in one way, and if this way doesn't work today, I'll treat this entire wisp.cpp as an API, and I'll make an endpoint inside it which I can call using a port number, so localhost, for obvious reasons, and that will be my backup plan. Hey, like, does that sound good actually? I just thought of it, but it seems actually nice. So if this thing actually if this thing doesn't work out the way I want it, I can just take my audio file and push it to whisper.cpp as an API request. That plan works, right, Robbie? I can treat whisper.cpp as an API, so that I don't need to handle this entire weird shit of making it accessible inside Rust. Don't you think so? Okay, whisper.cpp.main. Come on, man, now you are supposed to work. Yeah, it works. Now if I say f args and say audio.stream.wav, for some weird reason it doesn't work. Or does it? Okay, wait. Whisper.init.file with no stale. Okay, no state. Loading model from, okay. Whisper fail to initialize whisper context. Okay. Okay, I'll simple it down for you a bit. What we are trying to do right now is to take wisp.cpp and use it inside our tool directly using using command lines. And for now it seems to be not working the way I imagined. So from here to access this using Rust, it's difficult, but I can call this via API call. So API call, I can do a simple curl request to this thing, transmitting my audio file, and there will be an endpoint here, endpoint inside wisp.cpp, which will resolve my query and return me the text file. So that's what I'm trying to do. Do I need to further simplify my explanation? Baby boy, I'm waiting. Seems like this thing is doing fine, but I need to specify where the audio dot stream web is. Okay, please God, what am I screwing up? Oh wait, no input file specified. What the fuck? What do you mean no input file specified? I'm giving input file right now, damn it. Can't I just fucking way, no fucking way. No fucking way, bruh, no fucking way. I hate this thing now. I can't give relative path to it, and audio stream.wave seems to be in a good spot for it to understand too. Audio stream.wave. How much more do you want me to specify it, Rust? I can just see arcs. Okay, I might have to use something like this. Will it work now? Bloody hell. No. Input file not found. Okay. Yep. Now it should be found. No. Where are you, my input file? Okay, file. Okay, wait. Main options. Input file not found. Audio.stream.wave. Nothing so far from my side. So everything seems to be going according to me, but I am continuously scrutinizing this thing. If I move the audio thing to okay, done. I was not supposed to do that. If I move that audio file to inside source, where we have main, will it make any difference? Because I don't see any use case in this, and now it should be in the same directory. You can't say no input, right? Fucking away. Wait. File.wave, and I'm giving audio stream.wave. Okay. I guess now please you work, you piece of shit. Work ma fuck. No input file specified. What am I doing wrong? Is this what you expect from me? No. HSL minus T thread and processor offset duration. Audio, like, where is the goddamn input file name? Input wave file path. So that's what I'm giving, file path. Bloody take the file path. How are you damn processing it? I just want to understand that bit. How are you bloody processing the entire thing and still not making any sense? So wait, if I do just f and treat this thing as a vector, okay, so you're supposed to throw me an error. I'm fine with that. Terminate called throwing instance basic constant null, nothing given. And I want to give you let path equals to, you know what, audio, since I'm giving it to you via path. Okay, now will you do that for me? Nope, not doing it. So can I just cdsrc and I'll say main main. No, I have to say main. Where do I say main now? Okay, cd wisp.cpp main. Yeah. Why am I spelling clear wrong? Damn, huh? So dot main f. Oh, I can't say something like this now. Mn slash mnt c users tally documents cli rus source and audio dot stream dot wave. It works here. Converting your audio files to text using wisp.cpp. This seems to be working fine here. Okay, I guess I'm stuck now. I should figure this part out. I'll come back again, try to fix it back again. And this is painful, man. But yeah, wait. Huh. I guess I have to leave right now so I can make it worth a while tomorrow before my mood entirely scrutinizes and fucks it up for me. And I'll move the task to tomorrow if I can say. Actually checked out the collab before, forgot to mark it. Seems to be working and I need to figure out, okay, integrate ffmpeg part and whisper part. This is something which I have to do in last adding. And the task which I have for tomorrow is that this thing works. All I need to figure out is, wow, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? I just lost my thought. Make audio file accessible in as param for wisp.cpp in rust command. Lib. Okay, so that's the scope for next stream, and I'll research on the fact how to make that part where we are completely out of control to work. And that's my time for you. Rob, wanna say something?